How does ADNI display module achieve high reliability? Behind every LCD screen, there is a precise manufacturing process. Display quality is not only about the panel. It depends on precision bonding, stable processes, and strict manufacturing control. For display buyers, the biggest risks are unstable bonding, poor alignment accuracy, inconsistent mass production, quality problems after delivery. That is why automated production matters. Automation helps improve process consistency, production efficiency, product reliability. Our production line covers key LCD module processes, COG bonding, fog bonding, backlight assembly, quality inspection. Choosing a display supplier is choosing manufacturing reliability. From prototype development to mass production, future electronics supports. Your display projects need a reliable LCD or LCM partner? Contact us for customized display solutions.